We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make vegetarian stuffing. First, add the oil and butter to your pan. Then the onion and celery, give it a stir around, and then the garlic. Don't let it burn. A little salt and pepper. And then you'll want to toast your bread. That way it absorbs all the good flavor and liquid. Add the celery and onion and fresh herbs to the bread and any mix-ins you desire. Give it a stir around. We have pecans and apples. Mix the broth and eggs and then pour it over your bread. Combine that, grease that dish well. Add the stuffing, cover and bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees and then uncovered for 15 or 20 minutes. Delicious! Cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.